Good morning. This is Miranda bringing you a homeopathic moment. And I'm here this morning to talk to you about pregnancy, how homeopathy can help tremendously with all sorts of little aches and pains and the kinds of things that really you don't want to take to your doctor, you don't want to take medicines for. You want something that's going to help though. Morning sickness can completely overshadow the joy of pregnancy. It can make life hell. And homeopathy has a tremendous number of very effective solutions. My number one favorite remedy for morning sickness is Sepia. Sepia 30C will work where the symptoms of morning sickness are alleviated by eating or drinking something. Women who have this kind of morning sickness, and it's the most common form, find that they gain way too much weight in the first trimester because they're always chomping on something, especially sweet things, chocolate, pickles. These are all the kinds of mad things they crave in early pregnancy. Sepia will quickly restore the pregnant woman who's suffering from this kind of morning sickness to health, and it will alleviate also her feelings of tiredness, irritability, any kind of other discomforts that she's experiencing at that time. Of course, it isn't the only remedy, but it's the main one. In my book, I cover all the others, or many of the other remedies. So if this doesn't quite fit your symptoms, have a look further for the other ones. My other favorite I have, there's a funny little symptom that happens in pregnancy with the active babies. Some, you just know they're going to come out and go straight to the trampoline or become gymnasts. So I had a patient come in and tell me she was sure she had a footballer in a little boy. She didn't know whether it was a boy or girl, but she was sure it was a little boy. She was right, as it happens. And she was equally sure that he was going to become a footballer. She said she felt her whole abdomen felt bruised and sore from him kicking her. She was about 4 or 5 months pregnant, and she was actually in a sorry state from it. She had trouble getting up and moving because her whole abdomen was so bruised. Arnica 30C, this is every homeopath's favorite remedy, number one remedy for injuries to the soft tissues. It works like a dream, and within a couple of days, her poor bruised belly was back to its strong, healthy self. Her baby did carry on kicking, and she had to keep the Arnica on hand and take it from time to time through the pregnancy when he got too vigorous. Arnica is also, by the way, my number one remedy for after the birth, for helping to heal from all the injuries to the soft tissues, any bruising to the the pelvic area, whether it's a normal vaginal birth or a C-section. Arnica will help to quickly bring down the swelling and help to heal. Like all homeopathic remedies, they're perfectly safe in pregnancy, after childbirth. Then there's no toxic residue, no danger of side effects. Homeopathy is a form of energy healing, and it's completely safe for pregnant and newly delivered mothers and babies. My third remedy that I'm particularly fond of in pregnancy, and this is for a funny little complaint that is fairly frequent in the third trimester, is that horrid little giddy up, that pain that women get in the groin when the baby becomes big and or the head engages and they're walking along and suddenly, boom, they fall down. It's like this shooting pain goes up through the top of the thigh and they have to sit down for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, until the pain passes, and then they're hobbling for a while. It's really unpleasant. Bellis perennis will heal that like a dream. It works really quickly in a 30C. Of course, they should have it in their handbags, in their purses to carry, so they've always got it at hand. And just take a dose or two immediately afterwards. It's also, by the way, a wonderful remedy after childbirth if Arnica helps, but the deeper ligaments, the bruising is deeper and more serious once the swelling is gone. If the pain is still there, Bellis perennis will help to heal that.
Miranda Castro's books and DVDs on natural remedies are available from her website, mirandacastro.com. This clip was taken from the TV show A Healer in Every Home. Check your local community access listings or our website, greenhealing.org. And for more informative short clips like this, check out our channel on YouTube, Green Healing TV. Thank you.